Good afternoon, everyone. I am the representative of Group 4. My name is Indhy Dwi Nhazeva, and also
Agre Chatamy Azis.
and the last member is.
My name is Aprilia Damayanti.
We will presentations about wildlife conservation. Enjoy it. Next, Agre.
So this is our presentation about wildlife conservation. Wildlife conservation. Do you know how many wildlife population, particularly those that are protected in the open, such as forests, seas, and animal shelter? Are we able to count them? According to the IUCN, or International Union for Conservation of Nature, 2021 report, Indonesia now contains 189 highly endangered species. There are 29 classes of aves or birds, 11 classes of reptiles, 3 classes of amphibians, 26 species of mammals, and the rest are marine animals. Animals are one of the most impactful aspects of our world. Therefore, it is very important for us to maintain its sustainability, which is increasingly concerning and even threatening with extinction, because if wild animals become extinct, no one will create and maintain the function of natural ecosystem forests to keep them alive.
And now I like to share you about what the importance of wildlife conservation. Wildlife conservation is the preservation and protection of animals, plants, and their habitats. By conserving wildlife, we are ensuring that future generations can enjoy our natural world and the incredible species that live within it. Help protect wildlife, it's important to understand how species interact within their ecosystem and how they are affected by environmental and human influence. We need to know that it's true not that some of these wild animals have been registered as endangered species, especially those protected in the open. For example, orangutan, Komodo, Javan rhinos, and Sumatra tigers have decreased in number. The wildlife conservation can benefit sustainable human development. Among the most fundamental rules of wildlife conservation to human is to enhance food security by protecting natural habitats from degradation and forests against deforestation. The availability of a variety of food products will rise.
I want everyone here to know what are the challenges of wildlife conservation. It is the data revealed that deforestation, habitat loss, degradation, and fragmentation, agriculture, expansion, settlement, overutilization of forest resources, human-wildlife conflict, fire, district administration problems, and wildlife hunting were the major wildlife threats in the area. And the low wildlife conservation awareness because people are still indifferent about how important wildlife conservation is, and I think it has nothing to do with their lives. And the next point I want to share is about wildlife conservation has its disadvantage. point first, animal pose a significant risk of causing injury. There is a risk. Point two, there is a risk of being harmed by wild creatures. And point three, wildlife photography is highly competitive field. And the last point is they can kill us. And the next point is wildlife conservation also have advantages. It means it retains many types of species, hence preserving species variety, and also it contributes to the preservation of the ecological balance essential for life.
And how we can save the wildlife? Things like making donations, because donation can help to keep these important conservation areas running. Next is preserve wildlife habitat. Take care of rivers, wetland, forests, prairies, and everywhere else that give animal a home. And the next is volunteer. You can assist in cleaning up beaches or saving wild animal. And restoring habitat to planting native trees, cleaning beach, and restoring wetland.
And in the conclusion is from the point mentioned above, we can conclude that wildlife conservation is very important to protect wildlife with animals whose population are starting to become extinct in wild habitats, and protect them from several things that threaten them in the wild, such as hunting and illegal wildlife trade, because the existence of wildlife is also very important for ecosystems and human life in the future. For this reason, we as humans can also participate in protecting wildlife habitats by not participating in destroying nature, participating in cleaning up wild natural habitats that are not maintained, or participating in donating to help the development of wildlife conservation. Next, please, Agre.
So I have to closing this presentation. I would like to end this presentation by remembering the main point that animals are one of the most impactful aspects of our world. Maintaining the sustainability of increasingly endangered wildlife is the duty or responsibility of all of us as humans to maintain the function of natural ecosystem to keep them alive. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to our presentation about wildlife conservation. See you in another time. Thank you very much,
Thank you for
everyone.
watching.